welcome back to my channel for the new video. Today I'm going to show about the Excel org. So if you want to use the data bar in the Excel frame or showing your data bars in the bar graphs, in this way I have already done here. So in this way, if you want to use the data bar in this column, so I'll show how to prepare these types of the graphs in the Excel. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. So first of all, I have already put here data. So you can use your data of your research. So first of all, go to the select all these columns, and here in you see there the conditional formatting. So here in conditional formatting you'll see the different types of the data color scale icon set. So here I'll going to show about the data bars. So here also you can see the different option like the gradient field, solid field. So whatever you want to show your data, you can show. So I'll show here with the gradient field. So here now you can show like this with the data graphs here. So for the post months also you can show with the different color format. So I'm using here pink. So in this way you can show your data graph in your with the data. And if you have the negative value also, you can show in the graph. So for example, I will copy this one here. Here negative value. I'm here putting the negative value. I'm here putting the negative value. Let's see the data graph here. You can use. So now you can show your negative value in the negative graph as well. So this will make to visualize your data properly. Now next you have to know is that if you want to remove this data and only want to put this graph, then you can select this one, and then you can go to the right click here, or no, you can go with the data bars here. Gradient field you can create with the more rules. So now you will see here with the different types of the format scales, different editing bars, 2 color, 3 color, whatever you want to change with this. So here you can change it with the different settings. So you can use the different setting to make your graph properly visually good. Okay. So if you're going to go with the manage rules, so now you'll see the editing rules here. So you can change here color, you can put the border as well, you can use the different color for the different row as well, or you can also change with the gradient with the solid field. So in this way you can change any value or the graph in the different way. You can also use the negative value for the different color icons. So in this way you can prepare your data graph. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.